Hi everyone, Teresa here with the RSTS Group of Coldwell Banker in Sarasota, and welcome to our latest listing at 1002 Tara Vista Drive. Now, I would confidently place extremely high bets that you've never seen a property quite like this before. Now, we're in a canopy of trees on Philippi Creek, a home covered in art, but the real artwork itself is the masterpiece behind me. Come and check it out.
My husband and I had set a goal to build our own home. We loved the way that people would take commercial buildings and turn them into living quarters, into lofts. So my husband said, Pat, find us some property, and with my background in commercial construction, I'll build you a loft. When we built the house, we decided on brutalist architecture, which means it's primarily concrete, which also means that this house is extremely secure. It's a work of art built like a fortress. It will withstand up to a Category 5 hurricane. If the travel bug hadn't caught us, we would still be here and we wouldn't be wishing to sell our house, but selling this property would give us the opportunity to do the travel that we want to do.